Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the figure of a regular pentagon above, CD is parallel to AB. If x degrees is the measure of angle DCE, what is the value of x? In the given figure, we have to find the value of x over here. Okay, the given figure is a regular pentagon. Since it's a regular pentagon, so the measure of each interior angle will be same. And also here, let's consider the angle measure here. This is an exterior angle of this regular pentagon. Okay, whenever I want to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, there is a formula that is 360 degrees divided by n. Okay, here this n represents the number of sides we have for the regular polygon. Since it's a regular pentagon, we have 5 sides for a regular pentagon. So now to get the measure of this exterior angle, what we have to do is we have to plug in 5 for n over here. When I divide 360 degrees by 5, I am getting 72 degrees. That is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular pentagon is 72 degrees. And we know that this is a straight angle. In this straight angle, this part is 72 degrees. Then what is this part? So for that, we have to subtract the 72 degrees from the straight angle 180 degrees. In that case, I am getting 108 degrees. So the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. Okay, now let me draw an horizontal line through the vertex E of this regular pentagon. And also this horizontal line I have drawn over here is parallel to the line segment CD and AB. So all these three horizontal lines are parallel. Whenever two parallel lines are intersected by the third line, it's called transversal. Here, this line segment is called transversal because it intersects the two parallel lines we have over here. And also, when two parallel lines intersected by the transversal, the angle we have over here, the angle we have over here are called alternate interior angles and they must be congruent. That is, the measures of these two angles must be equal. Already we know the measure of this angle, that is 72 degrees. Then the measure of this angle also must be 72 degrees because this one and this one are alternate interior angles. Already we got one of the interior angles of this regular pentagon, that is 108 degrees. Okay, here what is the measure of this interior angle? This one also must be 108 degrees because it's a regular pentagon. Okay, in this interior angle 108 degrees, we know the part that is 72 degrees. What is the measure of this part? To find the measure of this part, what we have to do is we have to subtract this 72 from the measure of the interior angle over here, that is 108. When I subtract 72 from 108, I am getting 36. So there is a measure of this part is 36 degrees. Okay, now let's consider the two parallel lines we have over here. These two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, this line segment over here. Then these two angles are called alternate interior angles and the measures of these two angles must be equal. Then we get x degrees equals to 36 degrees. Okay, here I got the value of x. The value of x is 36.